Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Budong. Kagigising ko lang kaya naisipan kong i-greet ka. Hindi man tayo madalas na ngayon magka-usap. You know na ikaw pa rin ang best friend ko, 'di ba? Budong. Ayan. Si Budong, siya yung sa mundo ng imo, siya yung naging best friend ko talaga na lalaki. Siya yung naanohan ko dati ng problema. Siya yung tagapagtanggol ko, tagapagpatatag ng loob ko. Yan, si King Ina ka. Alam mo, wish ko lang sa'yo, good health na lang. Kasi, good health, hindi na lang pala. Good health kasi alam ko, sa love life, happy ka. Although na lagi kang busy, lagi ka nasa private room mo, visit ka. Ina ka talaga, gigigil ako sa'yo. Pag pumupunta kami doon, lagi kami nauuntog, inamal, yawa. Abay, ayan, si Budong nagbago na siya, hindi na siya pala iyot. Pero, King, ayan, happy birthday again. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Stay humble. Napakabait na tao. Happy birthday!